Hello students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Introduction to Email. And when we start the topic, the first question जो mind में आता है वो है what is email? तो अब इसी को जानते हैं हम what is email? Email is the most popular service of internet and it makes one of the most basic need of any professional or any individual who has access to internet. And it is a need for communication today. This is a basic communication equipment today. And email is an internet service that enables us to electronically exchange messages with another internet user anywhere, means any part of the world we can exchange messages. Now what do we need to have to use email facility? First, obviously a computer or a gadget, and network connection should be there, and an email address is required for this. So these are the three basic things we need to have. Let's know about the history, means how it started. On October 29, 1969, the first message was sent from computer to computer on ARPANET, and it looked like this. You can see here. Then Ray Tomlinson was the person who developed the internet service with the help of two programs, send message and read mail. And then after this, in 1980, such messages were exchanged between computer in offices and universities that had been linked together. In 1993, electronic mail became email in public lexicon. And then after this, we should know what are the advantages of using email. Email is universal. That means we can use it in any part of the world, and extremely fast also. It takes almost no time to reach to the destination, and convenient means any time we can share it with the any person 24/7/365, and messages can be sent to a group of people simultaneously in no time. Now attachment is the best part of the email, means you can share any kind of file like graphics, videos, audio, anything. And economical means almost no cost is required for this. Now email account. Let's know how to create an email account. For that you have to go to a website who provide this kind of facility like gmail.com, Yahoo Mail, Zoho, Outlook, iCloud, etc. Many other. And email address is the one of the basic need to have this facility, and it is important to note that in all email users have their own unique email address. Nobody can have same address. Now what are the parts of email address? It has two parts. mamtapuri@gmail.com, 123456@apsjodhpur.com. So every email address has two parts, username and domain name. Username is unique combination of characters that identifies you, and it is very important to have a unique name. And domain name is separated into two parts again by a period. The first part is the name of the service provider such as Gmail, Yahoo, and the second part is depicting the type of website. For example, .com, .gov, .in, .org. So it is telling the type of website. The username and domain name are separated by @sign. That means @ and this is important to know that email address cannot use commas, spaces, brackets. It can use only hyphen and underscore. So this is all for this part of the chapter.